In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva design to Instagram. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently create and prepare a post that looks great on your feed. Make sure you're already logged into your Canva account before you begin and that you know which Instagram account you want to post to. First, open your Canva design. For this tutorial, we're working with an Instagram post in the 4x5 format. This is the vertical size that works really well in the Instagram feed because it takes up more screen space and is more eye-catching. If you're starting from a template, choose an Instagram post template labeled 4x5, or set up a custom size with that aspect ratio so nothing gets cropped awkwardly later on. Once your design is open, look for the text area where you want to add or adjust your heading. You might see a placeholder that says something like add a heading. Click directly on that text box so it becomes active. Here, you can type in your title, your message, or whatever you want your audience to see first. Take a moment to check the font size, color, and alignment so it's readable on a mobile screen. Remember, most people will see your post on their phones, so avoid very tiny text or overly thin fonts. Next, you'll see a toolbar with formatting options. Among these options, look for the one that's highlighted or stands out. Click on this highlighted area to reveal more features related to your design. This is where Canva groups a lot of useful tools, so don't rush through this part. If you hover over icons, you'll usually see labels explaining what each one does. After clicking the highlighted area, locate and select the option that says See All. This expands the panel and lets you view the full list of related tools and destinations. It's especially helpful when you want to make sure you're choosing the correct platform or format. Now, within this expanded view, look for Instagram. You may see different Instagram-related options, such as posting to your feed or preparing content for other formats. Choose the Instagram option that matches where you want your design to appear. Once you've found it, you're ready to proceed with sharing or exporting your Canva design in a way that works perfectly with Instagram's layout and requirements.